Let's put some GPK stickers on some lighters. There are several ways to go about this. Let me know which design you like the best in the comments below. Meanwhile, let me share with you an incident I had at Walmart recently. I was checking out at Walmart in the self-checkout area, and the employee's talking to me about her friend having COVID. I was in a hurry to get out of the store, and I told her my blood is anti-COVID. She looked confused as I continued to tell her that I was helping my friend who had tested positive. While I sat next to him, my test results were negative. Then, as I was walking out of the store, ranting about how my blood's anti-COVID, I deliberately said, "If only I could remember where I parked." Then everyone started laughing. It made me feel wonderful to be able to make others laugh. That I wanted to share it with you too. Please like, share, or subscribe if you also forget where you parked when shopping at Walmart. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you want more content like this.